Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to skip the tutorials on Mobile Legends. The only way to skip it is if you have already played the game on a different device with an account logged in. And if that's the case, if you have played the game with the account logged in but on another device, you can import it here by clicking on the left top corner of your screen, then to open your profile, then go to account, and here you need to just sign in with any account. I would highly suggest choosing either Google Play Games if you have an Android phone, or if you have an iPhone Game Center, because it's gonna skip the tutorials. It's most likely to skip the tutorials. You can also sign in with a Moontune account. It depends on you, and there's a chance it may just skip these tutorials, which are the 2 additional games that you need to play with bots at the beginning of your game. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.